Toolbox Editor, change the toolboxes. You now have the pre-configured profiles available to you here, which are also already available for selection in the EMR Manager toolbox. Within a profile, you have the possibility of defining 5 different toolbars. Let's now create a new toolbox, a new profile with different toolbars. We can choose an already existing profile as a basis, but we do not want to do that at this point. Let's call the new profile, My Toolbox. We'll confirm our inputs and receive a new profile with an empty toolbox. This can be renamed by clicking on the name of the untitled toolbox. When creating a new toolbox, you should be aware that it could be almost endlessly long, and therefore would no longer be displayed on all screens, as their screen resolution may be too low. On such screens, the toolbox will then automatically be displayed in abridged form. A red guideline will show you how much space you have available for your current screen resolution for organizing your tools. So, please be aware of these restrictions when defining a new toolbox. Let's move on to the new toolbox. Click on the New Toolbox button. All tool groups will be available on the right side. Attention, only complete tool groups can be transferred to a bar. You can use drag and drop to move these from the right-hand side to your toolbars. The groups can be moved around within the bar and also removed again. Of course, it is also possible to move tool groups between existing bars. It makes sense to always place the most frequently used buttons towards the top and in the same place in each bar. The bars should therefore always be structured in the same way, so that they feel the same to operate. You have the option of giving a title to your grouping. So, add the following component and enter an appropriate label, for example X-ray. By clicking on the name, you can also subsequently edit it. A special feature of the Toolbox Editor is the customized image editing buttons, which you can assign to functions that are not available among the tools. Here, you have a list of approximately 200 parameters available to you that you can apply to the image. You can also assign a specific function to a button. It is also possible to call up another program or a script. However, this should always be done in cooperation with our customer service. Enter a hanging protocol label and select the appropriate command from the list. If you know the first few letters of your call command, you can enter these and will get to the command you are looking for immediately. If we want to test our settings, we confirm our configuration with the OK button and restart the EMR Manager. The editor can remain open. Let's now choose our new profile. We can test our hanging protocol in the Service tab. Call up a study using our new buttons.